Picture yourself stepping into your home and instantly being wrapped in warmth, joy, and that unmistakable magical feeling that only Christmas can create. That's the true power of decorating your home for the holidays. It goes far beyond simply placing ornaments or hanging lights. It's about transforming your space into an emotional experience, a place that tells a story, your story, filled with comfort, celebration, and beauty. One of the greatest advantages of Christmas decoration ideas for the home is how they completely change the mood of your environment. A simple living room can suddenly feel cozy and inviting just by adding warm lights, soft textures like blankets and pillows, and a beautifully decorated tree. Lighting plays a huge role here. Soft white or warm yellow lights create a calming glow, while twinkling lights add a sense of magic and movement. Even something as simple as placing string lights around a window or mirror can make your home feel more alive and festive. Another benefit is how decorating encourages creativity. This is your chance to express your personal style. You don't need to follow strict rules. If you love elegant and minimal decor, you can focus on neutral tones like white, gold, and silver, with delicate ornaments and clean lines. If you prefer something more traditional, you can go for reds, greens, and classic elements like wreaths, garlands, and stockings. And if you enjoy something playful and unique, you can mix colors, textures, and even themes like rustic, modern, or winter wonderland. The beauty is that your home becomes a reflection of what Christmas means to you. Decorating also brings emotional and psychological benefits. It creates anticipation and excitement, especially if you live with family. The process of decorating together becomes a memory in itself. Unpacking ornaments, arranging the tree, and choosing where everything goes can turn into a meaningful tradition. Even if you live alone, decorating can lift your mood, reduce stress, and make your space feel more comforting during the colder or busier months. Now, when it comes to ideas, one of the most impactful areas to focus on is the Christmas tree. This is often the centerpiece of the home, so giving it attention really pays off. Start with a cohesive color palette. This instantly makes your tree look more sophisticated. Layer your decorations, begin with lights, then add garlands or ribbons, and finally ornaments of different sizes. Don't be afraid to mix textures like glass, wood, and fabric. Adding a tree topper, whether it's a star, bough, or something unique, completes the look beautifully. Another idea that makes a big difference is decorating your entryway. This is the first impression of your home, so setting the tone here is powerful. A simple wreath on the door, some lights around the frame, or even a small decorative arrangement can create a welcoming feeling. Inside, you can add a small console display with candles, pine cones, or a festive centerpiece to immediately immerse anyone who enters into the holiday atmosphere. The living room is where you can really create that cozy Christmas feeling. Think about layering textures and adding small details. Swap out regular cushions for holiday-themed ones. Add a warm throw blanket, and incorporate decorative items like candles, lanterns, or small figurines. Garlands on shelves, around the TV, or along stair railings can tie everything together. Even subtle additions like a festive tray on your coffee table with candles and ornaments can elevate the entire space. Don't overlook the dining area. This is where gatherings happen, so making it feel special enhances the entire experience. A simple table runner, a centerpiece with candles or greenery, and coordinated tableware can make even a casual meal feel festive. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Sometimes, simplicity with a few well-chosen elements creates the most elegant result. Bedrooms can also be part of the Christmas transformation. Adding small touches like string lights on the headboard, festive bedding, or a mini Christmas tree can make the space feel magical and personal. It's especially comforting to wake up and go to sleep surrounded by that cozy holiday atmosphere. One important piece of advice is to maintain balance. It's easy to get carried away and overcrowd your space. Instead, focus on key areas and let each decoration stand out. This creates a cleaner, more intentional look. Also, try to keep a consistent color palette throughout your home, so everything feels connected rather than random. Another helpful tip is to use natural elements. Things like pine branches, pine cones, wood accents, and even dried oranges can add warmth and authenticity to your decor. These elements not only look beautiful but also bring a sense of nature indoors, which makes the space feel more grounded and cozy. Budget is something many people worry about, but decorating for Christmas doesn't have to be expensive. You can reuse decorations from previous years, mix them in new ways, or even create DIY pieces. Rearranging what you already have can make everything feel fresh again. Sometimes, just changing the placement of decorations or combining them differently can create a completely new look. Another advantage of decorating your home for Christmas is how it enhances your daily life during the season. Simple activities like watching a movie, having dinner, or even working from home feel more enjoyable when your environment is festive. It turns ordinary moments into something special. And as you keep building that atmosphere in your home, something really interesting begins to happen. The decorations stop being just visual elements and start shaping the way you experience time during the season. Days feel a little more special, evenings feel warmer, and even small routines like making coffee in the morning or relaxing at night take on a different emotional tone. That's one of the hidden advantages of decorating for Christmas. It elevates your everyday life without requiring major changes. Another powerful idea is to think about scent as part of your decoration. People often focus only on what they see, but what you smell is just as important in creating a full experience. Candles with scents like cinnamon, pine, vanilla, or apple can instantly make your home feel more festive and comforting. You can also use natural elements like eucalyptus or real pine branches, which not only look beautiful but add a subtle, authentic fragrance that makes everything feel more immersive. Sound is another layer that many people overlook. Soft Christmas music in the background can completely transform the mood of your space. It doesn't have to be loud or constant, just enough to create a gentle atmosphere that complements your decor. When you combine visuals, scent, and sound, your home becomes a complete sensory experience, and that's what truly makes it memorable. Now, when it comes to more creative decorating ideas, consider creating small themed corners throughout your home. Instead of concentrating everything in one place, you can design little moments in different areas. For example, a cozy reading corner with a blanket, a small tree, and warm lighting. Or a kitchen corner with festive jars, seasonal treats, and subtle decorations. These small setups make your home feel thoughtfully designed and full of discovery. Another suggestion is to play with height and layers. Many people decorate only at eye level, but adding elements at different heights makes your space feel more dynamic. Hanging decorations, tall vases with branches, layered garlands, or even ornaments placed in unexpected areas can add depth and visual interest. This technique is simple but incredibly effective. Mirrors are also a powerful tool. If you place lights or decorations near mirrors, they reflect and multiply the effect, making your space feel brighter and more magical without needing more decorations. This is especially useful if you want a richer look while keeping things minimal. If you want to create a more luxurious feel, focus on fewer but higher impact pieces. Larger ornaments, statement garlands, or a bold centerpiece can make a stronger impression than many small items. Pair this with a consistent color scheme, and you instantly elevate the overall aesthetic of your home. And finally, Christmas decorations create a sense of identity and tradition. Over time, your decorating style becomes part of your personal or family tradition. Maybe you always use the same ornaments, or you add something new each year. These small details build memories and give meaning to the season beyond just the visual aspect. So as you think about decorating your home, don't just see it as a task. See it as an opportunity to create an experience, to design a space that feels warm, inviting, and full of life. Focus on what makes you feel good, what brings you joy, and let that guide your choices. Because at the end of the day, the true benefit of Christmas decoration ideas is not just how your home looks, but how it makes you feel every single day of the season.